Feeling disconnected on Discord because your messages refused to load? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart Discord. A quick app restart can work wonders and fix minor bugs and glitches that can be responsible for the issue. So, close Discord completely. Right-click the Discord icon in the system tray on your Windows and choose Quit Discord. You can also open the Task Manager using Windows Search. Then go to the Processes tab and look for the processes related to Discord. Right-click on each process and select the End Task option. Once done, restart your PC, reopen Discord and check. Method 2. Verify your internet connection. Before going to any advanced method, ensure your internet connection is stable. Open a web browser and try loading a website. If nothing appears, you need to troubleshoot your internet. Check your internet speed by visiting speedtest.net. If the speed is low, you can restart your router or modem. Powering your router off and on again can often clear temporary glitches. Unplug it for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for it to boot up fully. If restarting doesn't help, your internet service provider might be experiencing issues. Call them to see if they can diagnose the problem and fix it. Method 3. Check Discord's server status. Sometimes the problem lies with Discord itself. Websites like Discord Status or Down Detector can inform you of ongoing server issues. You can visit Discord's official website to check the server status. If the servers are down, you will have to wait for Discord to fix them. Method 4. Mark your channel as read. This method forces Discord to reload messages in a specific channel. Right-click on the text channel experiencing the error and select Mark as read. This should prompt Discord to download and display all the messages in that channel. Method 5. Re-login to Discord. Occasionally, login issues can prevent messages from loading. To rule this out, log out of your account. To do that, go to your user settings and select Logout. Then log back in with your username and password. Now check. If this doesn't help, move on to the next solution. Method 6. Clear Discord's cache. Corrupted cache files might be hindering message loading, so clear the cache. You won't lose any account data while clearing the cache. Here is how to do so. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and press Enter. Then click on App Data from the top bar. Then select Local. Now scroll down and find Discord. Select all the files and folders inside it by pressing Ctrl plus A, then delete them. Method 7. Update Discord. Discord updates itself every time you open it. However, you can manually update Discord by following this process. With Discord open, press Ctrl plus R keys simultaneously. Wait until Discord refreshes itself. It will turn black for a while and then return to its original state. After updating Discord, check if the issue is fixed. If not, then disable the firewall. Method 8. Disable Firewall. A firewall can sometimes conflict with the Discord app and create problems. So, disable the firewall temporarily and see if this can fix the connection issue in Discord. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the search menu and click on the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Then click on the buttons for private and public settings for the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall option. If you use any other third-party antivirus program, you should also turn it off. You should enable your antivirus or firewall protection after using Discord because your system is vulnerable to threats without these protections. Method 9. Waiting it out. If none of these solutions work, you might face a temporary ban for violating Discord's community guidelines. You can check the community guidelines at this link. In this case, waiting it out is your only option. Once the ban expires, you should regain access to your messages and be able to send and receive them again. Method 10. Contact Discord support. If the issue persists after trying everything, contacting Discord support might be necessary. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. And there you have it, the 10 solutions when messages failed to load on Discord. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions fixed your issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.